Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the translation app and giving it camera and storage access, because without permissions, you cannot capture or save text. Once done, choose the source and target languages, download an offline pack if you need no network use. Now point the camera. Align text flat, reduce glare, and tap the shutter. Take several shots for backup. You do this to maximize OCR accuracy and to ensure the app has the correct language context when it begins processing. Once the app extracts text, monitor the OCR progress and be patient. OCR needs clear input to work well. Next, crop and rotate the capture or boost contrast because cleaner images yield fewer recognition errors. Use manual selection for columns or multi-line layouts. After extraction, review the raw text and correct any misrecognized characters or punctuation. This step directly improves translation quality. You should do quick fixes now. You tap Translate and read the result alongside the original so you can spot context errors. Editing the translated text is often necessary because idioms and names misconvert. When satisfied, save the result as text or PDF, or export to clipboard or a sharing app for immediate use. If something goes wrong, grainy text or lots of gibberish, retake the photo with better lighting or switch the OCR language setting. That single change fixes most recognition failures and improves final translations.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.